Hi, my name is Scott Newman from US Markerboard. Today's question of the week was brought to you from Nate from New York City, and he wanted to know what is the best surface to be able to project on and still use as a writing surface. Well, that's a great question because we get that a lot. So really what you have is either glassboards or whiteboards, and you want to be able to project on them. US Markerboard has solutions for both. The big issue you have is making sure that you have a perfectly flat surface, because a lot of boards tend to bow a little bit, and if you have any bowing with the whiteboard or glassboard, it's going to distort your projection. The other piece is you don't want to have hot spots and glare off of, whether it be from windows or lights, and we can provide you the best solution for the space that you have. So come to US Markerboard, tell us that you need a low projection or low gloss board because you want to project on it and use that as a projection screen as well as a writing surface, and we will provide you direction on what you should use. My name is Scott Newman, this is US Markerboard. I want to thank Nate from New York for your question of the week, and we look forward to seeing you again.